Things in this crypto land move so fast that one minute you're busy just trying to understand what's going on, and the next minute everything is dropping, and you just have to try and keep up. If you're into crypto, then you've probably seen that there's been massive crashes happening. On Tuesday, China banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services for crypto transactions. Overnight, Bitcoin ended up falling to almost $30,000, that is. And really, it's the first time in about, 18 weeks that it's been that low. That puts it down about 25% in the past 24 hours alone, and it's declined from more than 50% to where it was at 65,000. Ultimately, a lot of people have lost money. But to put it into perspective, Bitcoin is still up more than 215% in the past 12 months and around 6% year to date. So why has Bitcoin been falling and tumbling? Bitcoin and cryptos have come under increased scrutiny from regulators around the world as they've grown to become a larger part of the financial markets. And China applied these new sanctions, but they're not anything new. And it's really just their latest attempt to clamp down on the digital market. Under the new ban, banks and online payments companies can't offer clients any services involving cryptocurrencies such as registration, trading, clearing, settlement. The new restrictions only really add on to the previous bans that have limited the use of Bitcoin in China so far. The current directive will mean that more people find it difficult to buy crypto, and actually will create additional hurdles for miners as well. But China's relationship with cryptocurrencies have always been turbulent, and their first crackdown on crypto goes back as far as 2013. That didn't stop Bitcoin's use, and the price surged as the yuan weakened. And then in 2017, they introduced new bans, and they swooped in again and banned ICOs, as well as shutting down the local cryptocurrency exchanges in China. This included one which at the time accounted for about 90% of the global Bitcoin trading. They didn't stop there, and then in June 2019, they blocked access to all domestic and foreign exchanges on the internet. Each one of these sanctions affected the value. It happened also around the same time of every bull cycle run. The trend really has just been continuing, and it also continues this week's slide for crypto that was sparked by Elon Musk's back and forth tweets about what they are or aren't doing with Bitcoin at Tesla. But it doesn't stop there. The real issue for me is that Bitcoin, based on open Bitcoin positions and futures contract, has been dumped by institutional investors in favor of gold, reversing the trend that we've seen playing out over the last 2 quarters. The weakness is not just isolated to crypto. Tech and growth stocks, for example, the ARK Innovation ETF is down about 30% just from February alone. So it's not just Bitcoin, but I guess the real difference is that Bitcoin is a much more volatile commodity and it's still in its infancy. We don't know much about what makes the price move, and ultimately it's very, very important for anybody investing to be mindful of the risks involved in engaging in trading in these sort of high volatility commodities. Yeah, so that was all really that I wanted to say about this today and what's been going on in Bitcoin world. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think down below in the comments.